Hey there guys, just continuing my checks for the voyage. We're gonna head over to Charleston. It's not really a voyage, but it's a voyage to me. I've never done an overnight by myself before, so this is big. There's a water hose that connects the engine to the water, and it's rubbing up against it, so there's some chafe. So I'm gonna just throw some chafe protection on there, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's just another case of it's really important to just do your checks. Check, simple things on the boat. Just look around, be observant, understand what's going on with your boat. And the more you kind of poke around and look at things, the more you'll be able to pick out what's abnormal and alleviate any problems when you're out on the water. Because if it's going to happen, it's going to happen out there. Here's my engine. It's a Yanmar 75 horsepower engine with turbocharge. These are the hoses I was referring to. They feed the water pump and they keep the engine cool. And there's chafe right down here. It's just starting, and basically it's rubbing on the engine, but also could be the heat, but you can kind of see it where the dark spot is right there. Eventually, if I left that unchecked, it could go through and I could have a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some chafe protection, which I bought a bigger sized radiator hose, and I'm just going to attach it to it so it doesn't leak through. So I'm just cutting this hose in half so I can wrap it around the other hose. I bought a hose that has an inside diameter larger than my outside diameter of my other hose that I'm wrapping it around. So I can wrap it right around and do the same thing with the one I threw away. Don't throw your hose away. Just see, just rubbing up against this. That's the same material, but just rubbing up against it. Causes that. Now what I'm doing is I'm just putting these electrical ties on here to secure it. And then next time I do my check, I can see, if it's wearing, I can just replace the chafing gear. Because it will vibrate. Can't always see what you're doing in the boat, you have to feel. Same thing in life.